Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to use Mailchimp to send SMS. Now, as you can see, SMS is an actual function within Mailchimp. Now, to start sending SMS, you will need first to have a premium version. As you can see here, as I click on SMS, they are telling me to upgrade. So by upgrading, I will need to pick one of these plans. Of course, we need to search and check if every single one has SMS option within it. So what I'm going to do is view all features, and basically here I'm going to check if there is SMS in here, so we can search for it with like that and view it. So here we go. Oh, they are reading the page, so doesn't matter. So we can go here and search for SMS. So here forms, landing page, etc., etc., etc. We have a lot of things like customer reports, inbox, Mailchimp, etc. There's a lot of features that they have. What the plan we would like to go for is basically any one that has premium plan. So essential, standard, and premium, they all work together. So to have this feature work, we actually do have to upgrade our plan to the premium version. Now all of them have many different prices depending on the plan, and of course the amount of contact that you will be adding. But that's really doesn't matter in case you had a business plan in your mind. Investing is essential. So once you upgrade your plan to the premium version, you'll be doing the same as we do with campaigns and emails. You simply have to add data of your audience, and this data has to have their phone numbers. And when you try to send an email, so we can create here, and you create another option here will be for the SMS. So you have to create an SMS message. It's going to be a regular one. It's not going to be designed or templated since it is an SMS. And simply you are going to import the data that you've done and bulk send them just like we do with regular emails. That was it. See you guys in the next video.